Hello family, welcome back. You know what today is. Townhouse Tuesday. And I am happy to share with you an affordable townhouse just outside of Charlotte in Gastonia by Profile Homes. But before I go look at this home, I want to show you something that I've been promising for about 2 weeks now. And I want to show you how a townhouse is constructed. A lot of people have been reaching out wondering about the noise levels and if you're going to hear your neighbor. Well, come with me and I'll show you the different barriers and measures that builders have been putting in to muffle the sound so you do not hear your neighbors. Now we're on site at a townhouse community, and I want you to see the distance between the two so you can understand that you're not right on top of each other. There is a barrier between the homes to where you're not going to hear everything or most things that your neighbor says or does. Now I did slow it down so you can take a look and see everything that I'm talking about in this video. Now in between the two townhomes, you have a metal sheath going between. And then on the side of that, you see two white pieces, almost like drywall. That's actually flame retardant board to where if a fire breaks out, it just doesn't ravish through the townhomes. You have that resistance, that flame retardant barrier there. And between the townhomes, you will see 6 2x4s. So you have about 18 inches once you add the drywall on either side between the townhomes, creating a barrier, a buffer. Remember, you have studs on each side. You have that fire retardant board. You're also going to have insulation in there, which also is going to dampen and muddy sounds. And then drywall on each side. And I can say in the last 5 years of people buying townhomes, I've been helping people buy townhomes. I've had one person complain about hearing their neighbor next door. And that was because the neighbor had a subwoofer right on a corner of the home. Before we go inside and look at this townhome, I want to let you know that this is the last Townhouse Tuesday on this channel. No, I'm not going to stop doing Townhouse Tuesdays, but for all property tours, you're going to have to go to my other channel where I'll be highlighting property tours, a few every single week. So I heard people complain, why don't I show more affordable properties on this channel? Well, on that channel, you'll have affordable, luxury, very, very expensive properties. You will have something for everyone regarding home selection. Now let's go inside and look at this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome that is under $280,000. You heard that correct. Under $280,000. Let's go. Now we're going inside this Laurel Floor plan by Profile Homes. Now this community is located in Gastonia, the Union Square community by Profile Homes. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a loft area just over 1,300 square feet. You come in, you have the main living area. See the kitchen with the granite countertop. And you have the laundry, pantry, and a half bath down here. Now, if you've been in the market looking for a home in the Charlotte area, you know you will be hard pressed to find new construction anywhere, whether it's single family or a townhome, below $330,000. Well, here this is. This was just released this past weekend. Well, a new set was just released this past weekend, and it was released starting at $267,000. They have 2 more buildings, I believe, to be released in the coming months. So don't miss out on getting an affordable home while you still can. This is the loft area upstairs. when you're buying a property, you don't have to, everybody likes to think this is my forever home. No, no, this does not have to be your forever home. This could be your starter place to where you're gaining appreciation and equity, as opposed to paying somebody else to do the same thing when you're renting their property. Let's go inside the owner suite. Nice large walk-in closet. So please reach out to me. The contact information will be in the description. And if you want more house tours and want to learn more about affordable properties right here in North and South Carolina, please check out my other channel, Living in the Carolinas by Sir Ashley, where I'll be providing you tons and tons of house tours and just stuff about the Carolinas. Thank you for rocking with me on this Townhouse Tuesday. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon.